Hey guys, have you ever found that your tailgate is really heavy? When you open it up, it's almost like it's going to strain your arm where you've got to hold it so it doesn't hurt someone or break. Well, let me introduce you to the OCAM Tailgate Assist Kit. Now, for this vehicle, because it already has a factory torsion bar for the assist on the way up, we have it installed to support the way down. So it provides a really beautiful, easy, slow glide to make sure that there's no one ever going to get hurt by a slamming tailgate. So the installation is very easy. You can do this at home. It comes with installation instructions, easy to follow. Now, if your vehicle doesn't have the factory torsion bar, then the option also is that you would buy the dual set that gives you the easy up as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.